Hi there, and welcome to Marketing 360. With all of the new tools available, we wanted to take a moment to introduce you to the Marketing 360 knowledge base and hopefully offer a little bit of guidance for the new platform. This knowledge base is accessible 24/7 by visiting support.marketing360.com. You may have already been sent an article or video from this knowledge base, but for some, this may be your first time visiting the knowledge base altogether. Because of that, we've put together this quick video to help explain how to navigate and locate some of our resource articles. You'll also be able to access this knowledge base through the Marketing 360 dashboard. Under Need Help, click on the Go to Help Center link and you'll load the knowledge base. This knowledge base is meant to be your one-stop shop for any and all questions regarding your Marketing 360 tools. When you initially visit the knowledge base, you'll notice that it's broken down into individual categories that match the Marketing 360 3.0 dashboard. This allows you to quickly find a support article that is relevant to your question. All you have to do is simply click into the tool you're working in, and in-depth subcategories will appear to help you get more specific articles. You could also search by specific keywords in the search bar above. Walkthrough videos appear at the top of the category page and provide an in-depth overview with the corresponding platform feature. If you come across a page that doesn't have a walkthrough video, that means that the walkthrough is currently in production and will be posted as soon as the support team has completed it. Below the video, you'll see support articles that provide in-depth information about how to perform various tasks within Marketing 360. If you're curious about how to do something, this knowledge base should be the first place to look. We're constantly updating and adding new articles, so if you see that an article you need has not been created, reach out to the support team and we can have that article made for you. Below the support articles, we've included some tips and tricks about the corresponding category. In this instance, you'll see that we've included email marketing best practices and 13 great email marketing designs to help you best leverage the Marketing 360 nurture tools. As previously stated, over the next few months, we'll be working on additional walkthrough videos, support articles, and bite-sized support videos for your convenience. If for some reason you're not able to find what you're looking for, send our support team an email at support@marketing360.com. Or you can submit a ticket via support.marketing360.com by clicking the Submit a Request button at the top of the page and filling out the required information fields below. We're here to support you and empower you regarding the Marketing 360 platform features. So let us know if there is anything we can do to help.